Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been on everyone's mind lately, the incredible health benefits of a plant-based diet. Whether you're considering making the switch or just curious about the hype, stick around because we've got some fascinating info coming your way. So, why are so many people turning to plant-based diets? Let's break it down! First up, one of the biggest reasons is the amazing health benefits. Research shows that a plant-based diet can help you live longer, feel better, and even look better. But how exactly does that happen? Number one on our list, heart health. A plant-based diet is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which are all fantastic for your heart. Studies have shown that people who eat more plant foods have a lower risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. That's a big win for your ticker. Next up, weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, plant-based diets can be your best friend. They're generally lower in calories, but high in nutrients, which means you can fill up without feeling guilty. Plus, all that fiber keeps you full and satisfied. And let's not forget about energy levels and overall well-being. Ever feel sluggish after a heavy meal? Plant-based diets are light and energizing, helping you stay active and focused throughout the day. Many people report having more energy and better digestion when they switch to plant-based eating. There's also a growing body of research suggesting that plant-based diets can lower the risk of certain cancers, improve kidney function, and even reduce symptoms of arthritis. It's amazing how powerful plants can be. But let's be real, making the switch can seem daunting. What about protein? What about my favorite meals? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Plant-based diets are more versatile than you might think. There are plenty of delicious plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. And with a little creativity, you can recreate almost any dish in a healthier, plant-based way. From savory tacos to mouth-watering pasta, and yes, even desserts, there's no shortage of options. Plus, your taste buds will thank you for the variety of flavors and textures. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can come with some challenges, like ensuring you get enough vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. But with a little planning and maybe some supplementation, you can easily meet all your nutritional needs. Just make sure to do your research or consult a nutritionist to keep things balanced. And remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Even small changes can make a big difference. So whether you're going full-on vegan or just adding more plant-based meals to your diet, there's a world of benefits waiting for you. Your body, the planet, and even the animals will thank you. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite plant-based meal? Until next time, happy eating!